Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Chevy K20. Fires right up. There's your blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. Wipers work. I think you can hear the radio in the background. There's the fan. This is a non-air truck. Does have dual tanks, four-wheel drive. Has a trailer brake down there. Gauge's temp gauge does not work. Gas gauge, the little recorder tank, and the left-hand tank anyway. Got speakers down here in the doors they added. That's kind of retro 80. Runs like a watch. Original air cleaner, original hoses and stuff. They've added some stuff for their camper or whatever, I believe. There's the original jack. And air filter. Just took it to a minute lube a lot. That's the tags there. It runs great. There's your headlights. Tail lights and your license plate light. So I believe everything works on the truck. So any questions? Yeah, he's even added an aftermarket tack when he was pulling his camper, and that works. 605-695-7391.